Hey, this is Ken at Cap Advantage. I'm going to try to do a Wall Street wrap-up every Friday afternoon. I know today is January 26th and it's a Sunday, but I got a little messed up. So I'm going to start doing it on Friday afternoons, maybe 4 or 5 o'clock. Pay attention, look for this. It's going to be a wrap-up on what the past week has done, big stuff in Wall Street, and then maybe what to look forward to the next week. So the S&P 500 and the Dow and NASDAQ were all up this week. The S&P actually hit a new high, but on Friday, they all dropped a little bit. Nothing big, but all for the week, the S&P 500, the Dow, and the NASDAQ all went up for the week. Now, remember, the S&P 500, when people talk about the market, they're usually talking about the S&P 500. But I'm going to show all three. Those are the three big ones that we have to worry about. Crypto, there's big news in crypto. So the SEC finally told the banks that they do not have to treat crypto as a liability anymore, which is a stress on the system. Now it doesn't have to be a liability. So I think that's actually going to open up the banks to be able to hold crypto. And a lot of funds that do crypto had very limited when Signature and Silicon Bank went down. It really screwed them up because they couldn't put their money in a bank. They couldn't put their crypto in a bank. Now they should be able to. And the new buzzword is AI, right? So this new Stargate project that Oracle, SoftBank, and OpenAI have at least guaranteed $100 billion investment in it, plus maybe up to $500 billion. To this, we want to be in the forefront of the AI world. Hopefully, we can be ahead of China on this. America wants to be number one. So we're going to do this, but we got to keep watching it to see whether it's going to fluff out or work well. We also have to talk about tariffs a little bit. So when Trump came into office, the first thing he did was said, hey, I'm going to put tariffs. He's been saying it for months. It's not a surprise. Tariffs on China, on Mexico, on Canada, if they don't start making a more fair deal. He actually took questions at Davos about this and other things. So we know the tariffs are a threat. Whether they happen or not is one thing. And then the next one is, are they going to be good for the economy or bad? He said he's going to start doing it February 1st. Now, the Federal Reserve is meeting next week to talk about monetary policy. Are rates going up? Are they going down? Are they staying the same? Who knows? Everyone kind of has an opinion, but nobody knows what's going to happen. Tesla next week is dropping their earnings. We're going to see if Elon says something weird enough to move the stock up or down. It's always a fun time with Tesla. Okay, that's kind of the big stuff for the week. I will get better at this, I promise. I'm just learning how to do this. So let's keep an eye on the trends. Don't panic. Hey, go enjoy your weekend, even though it's Sunday, and I'll see you on Friday afternoon.